Hello guys, today we will learn the Magic Texture node in Blender. First add a UV sphere and apply a subdivision surface modifier to it, and shade smooth. Then go to the shading workspace and add a new material. After that, add color ramp and connect it to base color, and then add Magic Texture. And connect color to factor. You can change the colors of color ramp as you want. You can change the values of the Magic Texture to your liking, or like I'm doing. Next, add a bump node and connect its normal to the normal of the principal BSDF. Then duplicate the color ramp and connect its color to the height of the bump node. And connect the color of the Magic Texture to this color ramp factor. You can change the colors of this color ramp to your liking. Then change the scale of the Magic Texture to 0.5 and the value of the distortion to -6.5. After completing all these textures, you will see that your perfect Magic Texture is ready. So this was our video for today. How did you like this video? Let me know in the comments section and subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorials like this.